BTB Kicks here, and I have 20 minutes to clean these Gratitude 11s starting now. Alright, so first things first, we're going to take the shoelaces out. This is something that I want to try out as far as this challenge. It's going to be called the time trials, where basically I give myself a time limit to clean a pair of shoes. And for restorers that know how to restore shoes, it takes usually double the amount of time. But I'm seeing if I can knock these out in half the time. So what we're doing is taking the laces out first and foremost, trying to get these all the way done. And then at the end of the 20 minutes, we'll see how good I do. So these are a size, oh God, size 8.5. All right, let me get these shoe trees. Okay. All right, that should be good right there. No, I gotta go back one more. We're just about a minute in now. All right. Oh, I gotta do one more back. All right. Cool. Okay, now that we have the shoes like this, gotta grab a mat. So we can, oh God. I'm all over the place. All right, here we go. We got the mat. Boom. Solution, brushes, got the water. And while we fill this up, I'm gonna be using one of my favorites, if not my favorite, sneaker cleaner called Cure by Crep. We're gonna take the top off, put some of that in there. And if you all wanna get some Crep products, use code BLA10 for 10% off your entire purchase. All right, now we're diving in. First things first, I wanna tackle the bottom, so this is gonna take me the longest. So I'm gonna take a stiff bristle brush, dip it in the solution, and get to scrubbing. And while we're cleaning these, I'm gonna try to attempt to make this all in one take, no cuts. But if a customer comes, I might have to cut it just to basically be attentive to the customer, and then we'll resume. I'll drop what I'm doing, but hopefully we have the time where we can do this. 20 minutes, and we're gonna see if we can get it done. Put that back in there, get the scrubbing. All right, now that that's like, the dirt is broken down a little bit, grab some towels. All right. Okay, now that's done, we're gonna take the mechanical and we're gonna put this on the stiff bristle brush to get the even deeper clean on the outsoles. Uh-oh, everything wants to go bad right now. All right, here we go. We're gonna go in there. Oh my. Okay, that's decent. Now let's use the steam gun. See what I have. All right, timing is looking pretty good. We're 3 minutes in. We're doing decent. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in, stiff bristle, give it another clean. Now we're gonna start working our way up onto the midsole from the outsole, hitting the sides, because the bottoms are pretty much pretty good. We're going crazy. All right, we're looking very good now. All right, let's wipe this down with the microfiber cloth. And all the products that I'm using in this video will be in the description down below if you all want to purchase them and use them for yourself. So we're wiping the shoe down. So far, so good. Just have to hit a couple more spots on the bottom. So I'm going to use my wire tip bristle brush to get in those grooves with the detailing. And you know I'm all about the details over here at BTB Kicks. So we're gonna try to do this as fast as I can. And of course, if I'm not able to do this, I'm gonna go back and actually clean these, taking my time, because this is a customer's pair. But I believe we're gonna be able to do it. Okay, flip the shoe around. Now we're going into the top part in the grooves. Put that in there. All right, we're good to go. Just a little bit more right here. That's good to go. Let me steam that down. Just a little bit more. Taking the detailed wire tip bristle brush, scrubbing that in some of these areas. Dip that back in there. Seam that one more time. One more. And we're going. All right, now we're moving on to the uppers. We're good on there. What I want to do on the uppers is just get this lathered up, taking the medium bristle brush, getting these. Oh, my arm hurts so bad. Scrubbing this up, hitting the uppers to create the suds, because I'm about to go in with the actual drill again. Making sure to hit every single part on the uppers. All right, now we're switching the drill from the stiff tip or stiff bristle brush to the medium. All right, dip that in there. Get busy. Good to go. Now I gotta check behind the eyelets. So I'm gonna hit every single eyelet with the medium. All right, other side. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Almost done. We're running low on time. We're about 8 minutes and 35 seconds in, meaning I have 1:30 left on this shoe before I gotta move on to the other shoe because we're low on time. Let me steam this off. Looking pretty good. All right, now I'm just gonna move on to the next shoe and hit the details on the uppers if I have any extra time. So we're moving on to the next shoe. As you all can see, boom, we're looking good. We're looking good. Come on now. Come on now. We're looking too good right now. Okay, now let me not waste any of my time. Straight back to the bottoms. Stiff bristle brush, dip that in there. We're just going straight into the bottoms. Dip that in there. It's gonna be close, for sure. So what I'm doing this time is changing up my approach. I'm gonna be hitting the midsole while I'm hitting the outsole, so that way it can save me time when I get ready to move on up. I'm literally splashing everywhere. Okay, flip it. Whew, my arm. Okay. Okay, now we have to switch the tip on the mechanical once again. Put the stiff right back on. All right, now we're dipping that in the solution. All right, and getting to work. Okay, it's looking decent. Moving in with the wire, hitting those detailed areas. Hitting the midsole. And I think just hitting the outer rim areas will be good, and then I'll go in on the actual grooves on the bottoms with the detailed wire tip bristle brush. It is going down. You have 9 minutes left, y'all. Okay. Wipe that down. Wipe that down. Wipe that down. We're looking good. Got to hit this a little bit more. All right, now we're gonna steam off the bottoms. All right, so there are a few areas we still have to hit. That being in this area, and some of the grooves. So we're gonna get the detail wire tip bristle brush, hit those grooves, get in there. Moving on. Come on. Over here. I'm literally sweating now. Like this is crazy. All right, flip that around. I still have to keep time for me to clean the laces and all that as well. All right, now we're good. We're moving on. We have about 7 minutes left. Whew. Okay. We're moving on to the medium once again. Getting the scrub on the uppers. These I think are worse than the other pair. All right, now that the uppers are wet and lathered up, it's time to switch the heads again on the mechanical. All right, we're locked in. Dip that in there. And I'm gonna pull back the eyelets while I'm doing this, so I don't have to go back in by hand. I think this is more efficient. It'll save me time. Cool. Now we're gonna wipe this down. Come on, baby. Yeah, this is crazy, y'all. This is so crazy. Okay, now we're gonna steam this off. Any residual suds, anything like that. Okay, now I just have to touch up some areas. I don't have time to bust out the melamine foam pads, so what I'm gonna do as an alternative is I'm going to take out, or I'm gonna use honestly the microfiber cloth in my finger to buff out some scuffs on this shoe. I got about 5 minutes left, y'all. We're making excellent time. Okay, I gotta hit behind the insides and behind the tongue, but before I do that, let me check for any marks. Okay, yeah. All right, got that out. Nothing else on these. I know this one had, yeah, see right there, it has some markings, so the towel is already wet. Giving that a good scrub, and it should come out. Yep, it's coming out. Yep, good to go, good to go. All right, y'all, we're in the final stretch. We are in the final stretch. Okay, I just gotta clean the insides now on the sock liner behind the tongue. On both pairs. Now, sock liner. All right. Wiping this down. Got a dry towel right here. All right, gonna do this. We're locked in, y'all, we're locked in. All right, shoes are being dried. All right, now let's knock out these laces. What I do for the laces typically is I drop them in here, swoosh them around, and then I brush them with the brushes in my hand. Oh God, but I don't have time for that. So what I'm gonna do instead is mash them up in my hand like this. Put these to the side so they don't get re-dirty. And then I'm just gonna use the drill. Two minutes, 30 seconds left. All right, we're gonna, so now after I did this, I gotta get the soap and all that out. So we're gonna go to the bathroom. We're gonna rinse it out. Give it a little scrub. And if you're wondering how we clean laces, this is how we do it, typically. All right, turn that off. Squeeze this out. All right, let's go, let's go. All right, so now we're back over here with 2 minutes left, and we basically did it, y'all. So that was cutting it close, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so check them out, check them out. You all saw how they looked before. They looked crazy, but now we're pretty much done. They look great. Bottoms, as you all can see, they look pretty good. I'll probably go back and touch up some of the areas. Might get a more thorough look at them, but just off the rip, like, these look great. So, while we have 1 minute and 30 left, I'm just gonna do my outro. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is the first of, I guess, my first time doing the time trials, and if you all enjoyed this, let me know in the comments down below and I can do another one. But without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any pairs you need restored, feel free to DM me on Instagram at BTB_Kicks. New customers get 50% off their entire first order. We do take out-of-state orders as well. Like, comment, subscribe one more time, and I'll see you all in the next one.